I'm going to show you how to trade stocks on Fidelity app or your browser. So to get started, make sure you log into your account, and then in your desktop you can go to fidelity.com, or in your phone you can go to your application and then click on login. So from there, make sure that when you log in, you have to select the account that you want to trade in. So it's either individual, both are individual. So from there also, you can step 2 is you can enter the trading symbol, which is APPL, AMET, or whatever trade or stocks that you want to trade. So after you selected that on your app or on your browser, then you have to go to step 3. So you can just select buy or sell. So it's either you can buy the stocks that you want or sell that stocks that you want when you selected the amount or the symbol that you wanted. And then next would be choose between dollar and shares. So from here, if you want to sell the share or buy a share, you can click it. Or if you want to buy dollars, you can click on buy dollars. So next is choose an order type. Is it either market or limit? So if you want to buy the share or sell the share using market value, you just click on market. And if you want to sell it using limit, you can just click on limit. So last thing is for limit orders also, you can decide how long the order will stay open. Is it going to open till the day or good till canceled? So you can set it via the settings right there, by if you wanted to end the trade by day trade, or you can edit it by the way you wanted, so GTC. So that's pretty much it. That's how to trade on Fidelity app.